Warning: playing wayfinding announcements without proper authorization is strictly prohibited on Queensland Rail trains. Unapproved audio may cause passenger confusion, disrupt operational procedures, and compromise safety. When using the RTI files, make sure you use them for your own private use. Do not play out loud on active revenue services, and do not interfere with railway operations. By playing announcements in a misleading or deceptive way, you set yourself up for a $2.5 million fine per breach, as well as disciplinary action from governing bodies, including but not limited to permanent bans, blacklisting, and jail time. All wayfinding audio, including next station announcements, must only be played through approved systems and by authorised personnel. The following audio has been doctored through Ableton Live and does not represent an actual train route.
This is an Ipswich train, stopping all stations. The next station is Rocklea. Customers for stations from Yeronghilly to Park Road, please disembark at Rocklea Station and catch the next All Stops Brisbane City Line service to continue your journey. This is a Brisbane City and Gympie North train, running express from Bowen Hills to Caboolture, stopping only at Eagle Junction, Northgate and Petrie. The next station is South Brisbane.